Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Have you ever scrolled through your old Facebook posts and felt a rush of nostalgia? Well, in 2025, viewing your Facebook memories on the mobile app is easier than ever, and I'm excited to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're reminiscing about birthdays, vacations, or funny moments with friends, this feature is a total game changer for staying connected to your past. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your smartphone. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and let's dive in. Start by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner for most devices. Next, scroll down through the menu options until you find Memories. It's usually listed alongside other features like Feed, Watch, and Marketplace. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a personalized feed of your past posts, photos, and events. Facebook's 2025 updates might even include AI suggestions, highlighting key anniversaries or forgotten gems based on your activity. Now, to navigate your memories, simply swipe up to load more or tap on any item to view it in full detail. You can like, comment, or share these memories just like you would with new posts. If you want to filter what you see, look for options at the top of the screen. You might find categories like, On This Day, or, Your Year in Review. One quick tip. If you don't see the Memories section, double-check your app settings under Privacy, or Notifications, to ensure it's enabled. And remember, this is a great way to reconnect with old friends, so why not tag them in a memory you both shared? There you have it. Viewing Facebook memories on your mobile app is straightforward and fun. Give it a try today and relive those cherished moments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite memory. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.